Okay, back to it. I had to stop that last one. Okay, so we're looking at, we chose 31 plus 5 is 36. That's too many because we need 34. So we are 31 plus 3. Let's try that. Let's see, 3 plus 1 is 4. And then 3 tens, 34. That's what we need, 34. Okay, so 31 and 3, what colors are those? Green and reddish orangish? Let's call it red. Okay, so green and red marbles. Those are the colors that Allie has. We knew 5 plus 3 wasn't going to work. We knew that right away is going to be not enough. Okay. All right, let's go on. Okay. Now, I'm going to read number 1. And then you're going to pause me and try to answer it and then come back. Okay, so let me read it. Jerry has 2 colors of balloons. He has 19 balloons in all. What color of balloons does he have? So you're going to need to find which 2 equals 19 because that's what we know. He has 19 and it wants to know what color balloons does he have. Okay, pause me, figure out which 2 equal 19 and then write those colors on the line. Okay, what 2 colors? Purple and pink. Purple and pink. 14 plus 5 is 9. Purple and pink. Or pink and purple. You kind of, 7 plus 5 we know is 12. We knew that wasn't going to be right. You might have tried 7 plus 14 first, but that was too many, wasn't it? Okay, next one. Tia finds 2 colors of leaves. She finds 46 leaves in all. I'm going to highlight that. She finds 46 leaves in all. What colors of leaves does Tia find? Write the number sentences you used to solve it. So figure out which 2 equals 46. You have to write the colors and the number sentence you used to solve it. Pause me and do it. Okay, excuse me. What 2 colors does she have? Orange and yellow, yes. So the number sentence you needed to write was 42 plus 4 equals 46. And she has orange and yellow. Unless you thought that was brown. It's okay if you said brown. Orange. Sometimes on my board it looks different than it does on your paper. Orange and yellow or brown and yellow. Okay, next one. Vito gets 2 toys. He uses all of his 29 tickets. So he has 29 tickets to get them. Tom says he got the ball. He got the ball and the doll. The ball and the doll. Explain his error. He's wrong about that. Let's just talk about his error, okay? So his tickets, he had 29 tickets. If he bought the ball and the doll, okay, then that means he used 21 tickets plus 6 more. 21 plus 6 is 27. No, because this says he used all his tickets, so they have to equal 29. So now you need to find which 2 toys equals 29. Pause me and then write the 2 toys that equals 29. Okay, what did Vito buy? The fish and the ball. Yes. Fish and ball. 21 plus 28 equals 29. Fix my eye. It didn't look very good. There we go. Ah, the fish and the ball. Okay, let's turn the page. Okay, now this time on this side, when you do this page, you can use the guess, check, and revise. That's what we just learned how to do. Guess, check it, and then fix if it's wrong. So you kind of just trying different things. You can use a number sentence to solve like we've done before, or you can draw a diagram or picture like we've done before. You decide what you need to do to solve each problem. So you're going to read these three and solve the problems, and then you're going to send it to your teacher. Okay? So why don't you go ahead and pause me and do that, or you can come back to that at the end if you want to just keep watching the video, okay? Because we have one more thing to do today. So you're going to finish this and send it to your teacher, and then I'm going to show you the next thing. So do you remember how we learned yesterday how to add double-digit numbers? So we had like 26 plus 3. Okay, and we have to add what first? The tens or the ones? The ones, yes. These have to be done first. We haven't really learned why, unless Mrs. Davies told you yesterday. Sometimes we have to regroup these and make a 10, so then we have to move a 10 over. So that's why we start with ones. 6 plus 3 is 9. Bring my 2 down. My answer is 29. I love learning that. It makes it so easy, doesn't it? Okay, so we're going to practice that with the paper that you have. Whoops. Let's see. Whoops, I don't have. Come on, work with me here. There we go. All right, there we go. I wasn't trying to download it. So you're going to need, while I'm doing all this, you need a green and a red and your pencil. If you have it. If you don't, it's okay. A green and a red if you have it, and a pencil. Oop. I'm going to grab my mouse. Let me grab my mouse. Make it smaller so we can see it better. Okay. So here are the directions up here at the top where my little plus sign is going back and forth. Let's make sure you can see. And I know it's really tiny for you. So the directions say trace the ones place in green, then add. Trace the tens place in red, then add. So yesterday on our paper that we added, the ones were in green. It said ones in green, and then tens were in like an orange color, like kind of reddish orange. Green means go, right? Like at a stoplight, green means go. So this is how you do it, and make sure, so important, that you do the green first. So you go, here's my ones, I'm going to trace that green, and then I'm going to add it. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then I'm going to change to my red. Then my tens I can do next. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then go back and do them one at a time like this. Don't do all the greens and then all the reds, okay? Green first. If you can do this if you want. If you want to go through and trace the greens, and then when you go to do them, do the green first and then the red. You can do it like that, okay? 6 plus 0 is 6. Then I can do the tens. 2 plus 1 is 3. Do the green first and then the red. It's super, super important to get into that habit. Ones first, then the tens. So when you have to regroup, when you get into bigger grades, and we're going to learn regrouping a little bit in here, you have to start with the ones first or you're going to get all mixed up, okay? All right, so start with the ones and then the tens. Then you're going to turn this into your teacher and make sure you turn your story problem paper in too. That is our math for, gosh, what day? Wednesday, right? I'm so lost. Yes, tomorrow is Wednesday, April 14th. All right, have a great day. I will see you again on a video or on Zoom. Bye.